Hello and Namaste. I am Adesh from team UnBubble. Every year in winter across India, farmer burns almost 90% of their agricultural waste because it's of no use, contributing towards the biggest problem, that is the air pollution in the country. And at the same time, millions of the packages are getting shipped across the country and the continents. All are packed in the petroleum based packaging material, styrofoam and bubble wrap, actually depleting our natural resources. And every packaging material and the waste at the end ends up in the landfills and the oceans, harming our ecosystem. So there are two different problems. One fills our skies with smoke and the another fills our planet with the waste. So at UnBubble we ask a simple question: what if one solution, an energy efficient and sustainable solution, could change the both? Hello, at UnBubble we convert agricultural waste that would otherwise be burned into a fully biodegradable, cost-effective packaging solutions requiring 7 times less energy and producing 15 times less carbon emission. We offer two protective packaging solutions. First one is the biodegradable packaging fillers, and the another one is the Vriksh Foam, a home compostable and customized foam alternative to styrofoam and thermocol. Both of these products are 100% biodegradable, certified home compostable, and when package arrives, it creates 0% packaging waste. How? Because this packaging is literally water-soluble packaging, which creates 0% packaging waste. We offer sustainable and energy efficient packaging materials can be used across industries such as e-commerce, logistics, packaging movers and shippers, cosmetics, steel, handicraft and export, etc. So true innovation is not about the replacing one material with another. It is about a giving chance to choose sustainability. And businesses are making sustainable choices. Till now, in last 6 months, we have done 50 plus pilot projects and onboarded 25 plus clients and helped them to pack plastic free and abide to the sustainability goals. And our work hasn't gone unnoticed. We have filed 2 provisional patents for the process and the product, and we have been backed by the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi, and recognized by the Indian government and UNDP India. Conventional packaging materials, styrofoam and bubble wrap starts their journey from the extraction of the fossil fuels and then the production. It requires huge amount of energy, and after serving their purpose as well, they leave behind significant amount of carbon footprint. But at UnBubble we follow a different path. By using agriculture waste and plant-based materials, we emit 15 times less carbon and require 7 times less energy to produce our packaging compared to the conventional protective packaging. Just imagine 2 factories producing same amount of protective packaging solution. One requires energy of 7 factories and the one requires energy of just 1. Huge impact, no? But it doesn't stop over here. Right now we have a capacity of producing 48 tons of the biodegradable protective packaging every month. That means we are saving 48 tons of plastic packaging waste before entering into the waste stream as well. According to the plastic life cycle assessment emission, we are saving 136 tons of carbon emission for the 48 tons of biodegradable protective packaging, which is equivalent to the 1600 tons of the carbon emission every year. It is not just about the replacing the plastic protective packaging, it's about the redesigning of the entire life cycle and its energy transition, because every package made out of the agricultural waste is one less package made out of fossil fuels. Because everyone thinks outside the box, but at UnBubble we think what's inside the box, because that's going to shape our tomorrow. So let's come together and shape our tomorrow by choosing UnBubble packaging. Thank you so much.